What's going on, folks? Got the tree guys out there chopping down, getting rid of this tree, man. The whole tree is just chopped to hell. I guess the whole tree went bad. Amazing. Here's a little time lapse of some of the work that went on. Chopping her down, boys. Oh yeah, chopping her down. But the whole time that's going on, whoop, the wasp nest over here. Those wasps are going berserk. They're flying all around. So I gotta keep this door shut. That's how you do it, man. Bye-bye, trees. See you later. Hello, wasp. It's time for some poison. I need some fire and gasoline to kill those seconds. 73.